I think a lot of us fall victim because whenever we feel like we're down, we always want to get back up. You know what I'm saying? So
Yep.
you're not alone on that one. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everyone watching over there. Hopefully you're having a great Thursday. I was getting ready to say Monday. I don't know why I was getting ready to say that. November 13th, you're live with the Legacy Wealth Society. And we're going to make some money today. Yes, I said money, not money. I said money.
Sir.
Let me. All right. There we go. Alrighty. Well. Who's ready to make some? I know Batone's ready to make some money. I'm ready to make some money. Are you guys on YouTube ready to make some money? We got 10 more minutes before market open. We got a bear flag currently printing. And I'm hoping it waits till market open to actually break. So we're going to see what we get. My preference would be for it to not break until after market open. We've had multiple bear flags since 8:30 this morning. So we're gonna see what we get.
Oh yeah, it's bearish.
Yeah. Well, we had an overnight gap up on Sunday. So we're like 200 points above that gap from when the market opened on Sunday night. So if we come down, I'm expecting us to probably drop at least like 150 points here. But we'll see. We're going to see what we get. Good morning. Mag, good morning. How are you feeling today, sir? Are you ready to make some money today? That's the question. We got, yeah, you. Are you trading today? Morning, everyone on YouTube. Welcome, everyone. We're live. It's Thursday. We're going to have a special little giveaway tomorrow for everyone. So make sure you subscribe, like, because I'm going to be probably giving out a couple evals tomorrow. I'm doing great, man. Today's another day in paradise. We got the Legacy Wealth Society on our Zoom as well. So we're just vibing up today. We're going to make some money. Morning, Matt. Morning. Say my name, please. Magma Aga 89? Something like that. Sorry if I butchered it. It's on a small screen, so it's hard for me to read it. Well, you're welcome. Good morning. We're just vibing up today. We're hoping right now. We got this bear flag that's printing on the 2-minute. And we're hoping it waits till 9:30 for the market to open. I hate when the market moves before market open. Because I'm trying to make $1 or 1,000. We'll see what we get today.
Yes, sir.
Batone's ready. For the people on YouTube, where are you guys tuning in from? We got people from Texas. We had people from Albania on here yesterday. We're international here. I want to see where everyone's tuning in from. Did anyone watch the game last night? The Warriors game? I do not play video games. My kids play the video games. When I trade, that's me playing a video game. But when I used to play like Far Cry, all that good stuff. So I used to, but not anymore. I took up trading and I get click buttons here. So we'll take it. We'll take it. Welcome everyone. Good morning. We got about 5 more minutes. Well, actually 4 more minutes now to market open. Waiting for that 9:30 open here. Hopefully you stay safe in the markets today. Guys, remember, there is no rush to making your money today in the markets. Do not fall victim of jumping in too early because of FOMO. FOMO is real. Trust me. I'll admit FOMO is real, but it's up to us to resist the FOMO and execute our strategies that we all use. What is the stream? Well, Milo, this is a trading stream. We trade Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. New York session. Hello from the Philippines. Are you? Well, welcome from the Philippines. Is this mating season? It's always mating season. Yep. So Milo, this is a trading stream. We trade live every single day with YouTube and the Legacy Wealth Society. I don't do scam crypto. Well, that's fine. This ain't no scam. We're trading the New York session, not crypto. All right, well, that's looking good. Oh, man. Thankfully, this flag has not broken yet, but it's looking like it wants to. The momentum's building. I needed to wait because I'm not trying to jump in too early. Oh, thank you. This is my office. There's that bear flag. I'll probably wait for the 5-minute chart. I'll give it a little bit extra time to keep me off the market till that 9:30 here. Need the bears to hold this price up. We need them to hold the price up. I appreciate that. I work from this office, so I want to make it as nice as possible. All right, so there's that bear flag playing out. Slightly not annoyed, but I really need the bulls to step in here to hold this price, because if it starts waterfalling right now, I'm gonna be slightly like frustrated that it did not wait. But we're gonna see what we get. We're gonna see. Come on, bulls, hold that price up. We got a minute left. So do we think the bulls are going to hold this price up before this bear flag drops us down? That's the question for the day so far.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G. How are you today, sir?
All righty. All right. Wait for this market to open.
Yep, we're waiting. I'm hoping we get this bear flag to play out.
Ooh, that big drop, huh?
Good morning.
Marcus, good morning, sir.
Moose. Good morning.
No, I was talking to YouTube. Good morning, Moose, as well. Good morning, sir.
Ooh, let's see what it does.
I appreciate the sub and the like. I appreciate it. We got this bear flag. We have this big old bear flag. I put the line on the chart.
Why is it shooting up like that?
I actually want that, though. I did not want it dropping for the waterfall yet until 9:30. Market is officially open, gentlemen. We're open.
Shoot up to shoot back down.
Waiting for this bear flag to play out.
Uh-oh.
Finger on the trigger.
Finger on the trigger.
Let's get below that pivot point. Want to get below that pivot point and take a short. Have a good one. Marcus, did you join the community yesterday?
Uh-oh.
We're below the pivot.
Down she goes.
I did not get filled.
Well, now you did.
Yeah, I'm in it now, but I was trying to close out.
Woo, do it. You're good. It's going to keep going down. It's going to keep going down, Duane. All right. Duane,
I closed it, just locked in that profit that quick. No reason. Hey, listen. Listen. I'm not trying to be sitting.
Duane said, fuck that. Well, I'm out.
Like, nope. I lock in that money right there. We're good. We are good.
Duane said, forget that.
I couldn't say it in, but I'm like, no, I'm good. Awesome. Well, glad you joined it. Were you able to watch the vault? The strategy video in the vault? So let's see. If I was not streaming, right? If I was not streaming with the Legacy Wealth Society on YouTube, it's 9:32. Already made 690. That wouldn't be a bad day. 2 minutes to work and you go about your day.
Right. That's awesome.
Just saying.
Awesome.
Just saying. Okay. Yeah, once you watch that video, it's going to simplify trading for you so much. Oh man, we're going to have some fun tomorrow on the stream.
They say that.
You're going to see tomorrow. You're going to see tomorrow, G.
What's going on tomorrow?
You'll see tomorrow. I can't tell you. You got to see for yourself tomorrow, sir. I will be in Mexico next week, so I'm trying to see if I'm going to have good internet connection where I may just stream in the community, not on YouTube.
Okay.
Just to check in with everyone. But we're going to see. I'll know Sunday late afternoon the plan for the stream next week. And gee, that's, as you can see, we're pushing back up right there. That's why you lock in your profits, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why you lock it in. That's why I locked it in. No, yesterday my issue was I was being too greedy. I kept wanting more and more and more and more.
Right.
So instead of me trying to be greedy, I'm like, let me just close to $700. Let me just close out. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's just lock it in. It's selling off again, though. Let me actually rotate to the next account. Since we're here, you know what I'm saying? Since we're here. Let me rotate. I have way too many accounts. Is that account number? I am not seeing. At the lows for the day right there. Lows for the day. Why am I not seeing this?
534.
That's crazy. I felt like an old man right there. I'm looking for the account that I want to switch over to. And I'm like, where is it? And it's literally, my mouse is sitting right on it. So I couldn't see the last number. Crazy. All right, so just made new lows once again. Welcome to the stream over there on YouTube. Let's see what we get here. Wrong way. So that bear flag definitely paying. That bear flag pre-market definitely paying off right now. Still dropping. But we definitely can see the momentum. Good morning to everyone on the YouTube. Good morning, everyone. Legacy. I'm just excited. Your boy's already up 690 for the day. Got that in 2 minutes of trading so far. Trading's the best thing any of us could ever do. Just saying. Slightly tempted. I want to see it's kind of like build out another bear flag to give me the warm and fuzzies. I need the warm and fuzzies right now. You know what I'm saying? And this thing is just completely waterfalling. We got pivot point all the way down there at 306. 306 is the next pivot point. Ooh wee, ooh wee. This thing moving, everyone. Like, I want to jump in, but I don't want to get chopped. I want another flag. I want to do this as safe as possible.
You always want a flag, sucker.
Good morning, Steve. How are you today, sir?
All right.
What's up, Steve?
What's happening, baby? And I see G and Vitone is on here as well.
Yep, the whole crew's on. We're live on YouTube as well. We got 10 people over there just chilling with us today.
Chilling like a villain.
I keep saying I want a push up to give us another bear flag, but this thing is just dropping.
I know you too well. You want to have some support.
You know, and like my thing is I'm afraid of going for another short, and then it pop right up when I go in.
Well, that's like something when it's hitting against the low like that. It's scary.
Yep.
No,
because it does that. It hits the low, bounce up a little bit, comes down, bounce up.
Yeah.
Like,
let's see what this candle does.
Tons of selling pressure right now.
That news didn't even move the needle.
Right after that news, we did start selling off slightly.
Yeah, but it did, and it was at a one move. It was just kind of like.
But there is a change in big lots. Let's see when they think it's hitting you up, bro.
Let's go to big lots.
Come on, Betsy, give us something here. Give us a flag. I need a flag. I need the warm and fuzzies right now.
If we keep following, what's our target, baby?
Next target from here, I would say would be the 306 level, 306.50. That's the pivot point below us. But I personally just want to see a flag build to give us that extra, like, okay, we're definitely going down here.
Look, I mean, everything is in our favor. We got Moose here. He's not out fighting crime today, so he can be with us.
I'm in right now. I'm 753 in.
All right.
Get it.
This could be your flag on that 2 minute.
Marcus, you can figure that. I'm using Trading View, but you should be able to just on your indicators just add pivot points. Pivot point standard. So depending upon what you're trading on, just go to your indicators and just add the pivot points. And it'll do it automatically for you. So still coming down here. We got that magnet below us.
Well, look at the wick on a 1 minute candle.
The one, oh yeah. We have not had a push up yet. Or as Moose would say, we have not had a
Had a
retracement.
retracement.
The retracement.
Retracement. It's gonna retrace in a minute though.
Can I
We're
get
filling
you
the
on
gap
record?
from the Monday night open, or not Monday, Sunday night open, where we gapped up like 200 points.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
we're filling that right now by pulling back through it.
I didn't have a chance to look at any news today because my wife is off, so I was hanging out with her, just having a good old time.
Well, glad you're able to hang out with your wife.
Yeah, man, it's like, having your best friend around is cool.
That
love
it
that.
is.
I love that, Steve. That's awesome.
Yeah, we chill, we do everything together, so we just hung out.
That's awesome.
And then she's like running around for like a couple hours just doing the chores, and we're gonna just chill all through the weekend.
Nice.
That's very nice. I'll be
Listen, I'm
Sunday
not
flying
going to-
Mexico.
Look, I might go by a Mexican restaurant. How about that, huh? Huh?
I appreciate that, Steve. Need the Bulls to push this price up. It's been nothing but bears today.
Maybe we'll take what we get.
All right, 255 on that trade. So up almost a G. We'll rotate to the next account.
Hey, G is on this stream, by the way.
G is on this stream. Let's rotate
He
to the
said
next
almost a
account.
G. We got the real one right here. Or as Moose knows him from the barbershop, Big G.
Big G. We got Big G on the
In the
call
house.
today. All right, we got that wick on that 5-minute candle and that 2-minute right there, letting us know that the Bulls are trying to step in down here. Welcome to
Let
everyone
me
on the
clear my
YouTube.
throat.
We gotta pop some bottles today. We gotta pop some bottles. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Don't worry, it's only sparkling water. Like, no one's getting drunk this early.
Well, I don't know. Somebody is.
Coming closer and closer to that pivot point. And as I said that, there we go, getting ready to tap it. There's the pivot point tap.
Ooh.
Let's see if we get below this pivot point with follow through moves. With the follow through.
It's going down, my boy. Oh my gosh.
Marcus, congratulations, sir. Put that in the discussion on the community. We love to see everyone's victories. Have a good day, man. Still dropping here.
Oh my God. I want to jump back in.
We're at a whole number, gentlemen.
But I
We're
need
at
a
the whole number.
retracement.
We got to watch that whole number. And then Duane's trading, so he's causing support. So there's two things against us right now.
That's crazy. How I just closed at 390, I only got 180 off that. That is so annoying.
Listen,
But-
earlier, right now, when the market first opened, I was at 420. I closed out. I made $16.
Oh, wow.
That's nothing like that one day when you're like, I made $1. Like $1.
Don't feel too bad.
You made $1, and then with the commission, you actually paid for that trade to be green.
For real. That's where they get you. They get you with the commissions.
Well, you know what? One of the things I realized is, was 9:45. One of the things I realized was when I was, if you're trading micros, they charge by the contract. So if you get above 3 micros, the commission's the same as paying for a mini, which is 10 micros or thereabouts. So it's it's very restrictive.
Yeah.
You're like handing them half your cash. If you go, if you're trading like 6 micros, don't. It doesn't make sense.
Yep. Yep. That's why you gotta be skillful when you're jumping in and out, because you're getting hit with those fees. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone tuning in.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Only up $1,000 a day so far. That's across 3 accounts. Waiting for the next move here.
Hey, while you're waiting, Mr. Patience, can you give me the up and the down for the 15-minute range from your actual chart? So I can
You want the up and the down? Well, the down is actually at 280.50. The high side of that 15-minute range, 501.
280, 15, 501.
So we're down here at the low of this 15-minute range, and we're just waiting for this potential orb. Throw that in there.
Oh, you said orb. I love it.
Yep. Potential orb break. That's what we're currently waiting on, everyone. We're close to that pivot point, touching it. Let's wait to see what we get here.
Pivot point. Woo-hoo.
We want a push up for it to keep going down. I know that doesn't sound right, but that's how a bear flag plays out.
It's like a ball. It has to come back down to bounce back up.
Something like that. It has to go up before it comes down. You know what I'm saying? It's like gravity.
Or vice
Whatever goes
versa.
up, comes down. You know what I'm saying? Simple.
Or vice versa.
Vice versa. Any big plans for today for anyone? Or is everyone just hanging out?
We're gonna do like some smoking today because my wife is home. I told her let's just like do something slow and low. Chill
Okay.
out, listen to tunes, dig on each other.
Ooh.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. I'm just handle some other work that needs to be done for some of the businesses, and then just hanging out for the rest of the day for me. I'm like right on the tail end of that cold whatever. I see a potential bear flag forming as well underneath that pivot. So let's keep an eye on that.
5 minutes. Well, I'm glad you're feeling better. You kind of sound like you're going from bass to baritone. So that's good.
Yeah, it's slowly coming back, and I'm like thankful because I did not want to feel sick when in Mexico.
Well,
so
yeah, that's never a good idea, except if you drink too much tequila, and then you know that you just have to wait it out.
Well, I don't drink, so.
Oh, you think you always have that? Is your father listening? Can I tease you? My
You don't drink. You absorb.
Yeah, he pounds. Look at how he holds that bottle. That's like he's like Irish in his blood.
I learned from back in the day drinking the 40s. You know what I'm saying? Like.
Oh snap!
Back in the day.
You from our era?
Well, check
You
this
know
out.
what I'm saying? Y'all know about that.
You want to speak about the 40s? I was in an era where they made the 64s.
Ooh, watch out.
I've had a couple of those. They're huge.
Well,
They're like half jugs.
Yep. It's like a 2-liter bottle, basically, of malt liquor.
Yep.
8-ball. Mickey's.
No, the Iron Horse.
All right, look. It looks like we're getting this bear flag. I want to get below that pivot point with momentum, with the follow through to potentially take another short here.
King Cobra. Baby.
Oh, yep.
Colt 45.
Colt 45. I remember those. The MDs.
Want to get below this
I
pivot.
like the Schlitz. The bowl is running.
Yeah.
But every time I make a joke about Duane drinking, he's like, "This is a complete disclaimer. We're going to go down. My lawyer says the state I don't drink." It's like, okay.
I want to see if this flag plays out here. Like, we've been selling off since open today. It has to push up somewhat during the soon, you know what I'm saying? But maybe we're building structure for a bigger flag here.
Look at the 1 minute.
Let me switch over to the one. That's almost like a textbook flag.
Oh yeah, that's what I was.
On the 1 minute.
And
that
I
structure.
drew the line and it's filling my line like perfectly. It's like,
yeah.
Hilarious.
Want to see it play out on the higher time frames. How's everyone feeling on the YouTube chat? You guys good over there?
They just want to make sure you don't drink. That's the only thing.
Can't make any promises with that one. Can't make any promises. I'm going to be in paradise in Mexico at all-inclusive resort for the, let's see, I was just there literally a month ago.
You leave Sunday, right?
Yeah. So don't worry, Moose. You're still going to help your boy out. You know, get me right.
Wait, what about the air traffic stuff? Are you sure you're going to be able to go in?
Yeah. So the best part about all the government shutdowns, everything like that, the air traffic control stuff, is they were not messing with international flights.
Oh, okay.
So all international flights were running on schedule. Pushing up here. Is this going to be the retracement, Moose? Is this the retracement?
This is the retracement right here. And then we're going to come back down.
So Moose is telling us this is the retracement. So Moose, should I jump in? That's the question. Should I jump in?
It's going to hit the 9. No, not yet. The 9 EMA at 393. It's going to hit that EMA and then it's going to come back down.
Where was that EMA or that you're talking about?
393.
393.
399 on mine.
I use a 9. You probably use a 20. What? 20 something?
21.
Yeah, 21.
Like Dwayne's drinking age.
Like Dwayne's drinking age.
Doesn't drink.
397. It just moved a little bit. It's gonna tap it. It should come back down.
Just add a little bit extra. Just add a little bit extra right there. Let's see what we get. Coming up to the middle of that 15-minute range. The middle of that 15-minute range is sitting right at literally that 391 level for the middle of that 15. And you know what we don't do, gentlemen?
We're no diddling in the middling.
We do not diddle in the middle of the 15-minute range. So
no diddling in the middle.
Yeah, we don't diddle because when you diddle, you may get fiddled. It's not fun.
Y'all are crazy, man. Y'all are crazy.
I've gotten chopped up so much in that middle of that 15. It's like, no, not today, Satan.
Has.
Not today.
Everybody.
He said not today, Satan.
It'd be serious.
I'm just going to give it up to El Elyon, the Most High God.
We'll switch to that one now.
Jehovah Nissi. Jehovah Rapha.
Rapha. Oh, where's it at? All right, let's keep rotating these accounts. You know, you don't have to hit a home run on each account. It's just about adding profits each and every day.
I only hit grand slams, so there's that.
Well, you're better than me because I just go for base hits. You know, can't score if you can't get on base. Just saying.
What other trade? It was probably on that.
Let's see if we get some more momentum to the downside here. I'll take a short.
that we're gonna be coming up on that 10 o'clock hour, gentlemen. So, gentlemen and possibly ladies, we should acknowledge that because
Just gotta stop down on that little stab right there on that push up. And it's annoying because I can't trade this account right now.
yeah, but it saves your butt from yourself.
It does, but it's still annoying because that little push up right there.
My guy that I follow, you know, he says like don't revenge trade. He says no FOMO.
I don't know who that guy is. He sounds like he was a smart guy, somewhat.
Yeah, well, you better meet him quick, Jive Turkey.
Jive Turkey.
I'll introduce you.
So up currently, let me
Gotta
actually
be
check the
quick.
stats.
That's hilarious.
So up in 3 accounts. So I have 4 accounts traded, up in 3, down in 1 so far.
Yeah.
There we go, touching that 21 EMA right there. Are we getting ready to start pushing up here?
Push-ups. 20
believe
push-ups,
so.
everybody.
I believe we're gonna push up.
Put it right back over here.
All right. We had that little bull flag right there, print. Super small one, but still a bull flag. That would have been the bull flag right there. We're above the middle of this 15-minute range. We have a pivot point up at 466. 466 for the pivot point above us.
Yeah. Mine's in that neighborhood. I'm just grateful when it's in the neighborhood, like not just like 23 points off from what you're talking
Yeah.
about. You're like, it's touched the VWAP. I'm like, what are you talking about? And what world is that touching the VWAP? All right, 9:57. Just pointing that out because it's going to be coming quick. So
Yep,
watch
good
that
call
top of
out.
the
Good
hour.
call out.
Do we have any news at 10 or is it just strictly 8:30?
It was
right?
just 8:30 a day.
That's what. Is there anything tomorrow? Did you look?
I don't
You don't know?
believe there's any news tomorrow, but I'll double check real quick.
Right here, Kato.
Let's
What's
see.
that?
Tomorrow we do have news at 8:30 as well. Retail sales. Let's see, we build out another flag right here, another bull flag.
I like when you say that in a second you finish your sentence, it pips green just for a second, like when it's agonizing. Like it does that to me like all the time. Like I'm looking and at like 1 second before it closes, it's like, nope, I'm gonna slip over. $9:59. Got 40 seconds till 10 o'clock.
Yep, 10 o'clock is coming quick. Be prepared for anything. Be prepared, be prepared. 10 o'clock is coming. Never want to be in those time frames at those whole time numbers, like 10, 11. Market can move sporadically at those time frames, so it's always better to just be careful.
Go crazy. Ooh, one down, one down.
Here we go, 10 o'clock.
Ooh, one down. Look, look. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
We're sitting close to the middle of this 15-minute range. All right, starting to push up a little bit. Then as soon as I said that, it dropped it right back down. All righty.
That's when he said alrighty.
Gotta love it. We do have these wicks on these candles. Looking at the 5 for selling pressure. So let's just be careful and wait to get away from this middle of this 15-minute range.
In the middle. Don't fiddle in the middle.
I'm so glad G is back. What I love about that too is every time I say something like that, it's just quiet.
We're all happy that he's back on the Zoom.
We're happy you're here, G.
It's like, and then I just, it's like that motherfucker mentioned my name again.
It's funny, yo. It's fucking funny. That motherfucker mentioned my name for you.
345 on that trade.
That's why I really missed this chat, boy, for real. Beef, man.
If you notice, all we do is talk shit.
Well, I'm just in the background listening. You guys are the ones.
Steve doesn't quit, but he doesn't quit.
It always screws me up when it goes to black. Like I think that Zoom is doing something, but I guess that's just the
No,
news.
yeah, I'm rotating.
Rotate.
Woo, 570 on that.
Good job, sir.
1281, baby, so far. Gotta make this official tissue now.
I want a bear flag. I need us to get a flag. I want a flag here.
I agree, because otherwise it's just gambling. You know, it's like, can I do it? Or it pops. The 1 minute's thinking about it.
Just want to get us a flag here.
How low can you go?
But we have a lot of selling pressure right now. That's where I'm like, ugh.
How low can you
I
go?
want to just jump in for a quick little short, but want to play it safe as well. So
Well, I drew a line at the 2 minute, just kind of like a vertical, or like, I mean, a horizontal, and it's still kissing on it.
yeah.
Just right in the 48 level, because that's kind of just watching.
What the hell? Kelly? Where's my blue line? Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no!
Nothing on those.
He says, "Oh no."
All right, looking like a big old bear flag on that 5 minute.
Yes. Look like he wants to keep going down. Look like about to touch that other pivot.
Some 80s shit right now.
Yo.
It's like having a hard time moving, right?
Right. 1,200 for the day.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, give it to us.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie.
Come on, Betsy. Come on,
It
Betsy.
keeps getting stalled out right there.
Yeah, it's like it's having a hard time coming through.
Get ready to kill this one if we don't punch it.
Oh, you jumped in.
I did jump in. Just got stopped out too.
Snap.
Aggie just got stopped out. So freaking Aggie.
What an Aggie.
That's
very
two
white.
stop outs on two different trades. If I was a cussing man, I'd be cussing right now.
Or a drinking man.
Do you need me to do it for you?
Yeah, please do. Please do.
What the fuck?
Oh, that felt so good. Thank you, Moose.
You know it's an English word, so you know it's nothing wrong with it.
No, I know.
He knows. Looks like we're getting some leg on the upside.
Let's
It breaks out of
rotate.
this EMA where we heading up to that pivot or the whole number. Let's see.
Hello. Huh?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, bam, bam.
All right, let's see what we get
So far.
here. What's up to everyone on the YouTube stream? Hopefully you guys are good over there in the chat.
Sorry.
What was that?
What'd you say, Moose?
I said when you were saying hello to everybody on YouTube, I was like, son of a bitch. Like, what the- Sorry.
Things are real here on the Legacy Wealth Society. Welcome to YouTube, uncensored.
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 Burp, burp, burp. Oh, this must be on the screen.
Yes, he is.
We're above the middle of that 15-minute middle of the range.
I had jumped in, right?
We just
And,
cleared those previous wicks on the 5-minute as well.
All right, go ahead, Moose.
I had jumped in, and as soon as I closed out, it jumped up more, and I'm like, oh man, I would have made at least 500. I made 260, so it's not bad.
Hey,
Hey.
profit's profit.
Profit is
Absolutely.
profit.
Profit's profit.
Can't be
And
greedy
we're
like that.
same with an apostle. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's going up, baby. Up, up, up.
Let it go.
Dwayne would, just so we know, Dwayne would prefer a flag,
I would prefer a flag.
A
but
bull?
not now because he's in a trade, so he just wants it to roll.
Well, I was wanting the follow through. I did size down a little bit since I just got stopped out on my last trade. Getting real tight right here, so I may close this one out.
It's crawling towards that 65 level.
Yeah, but we don't want crawls. We want rocket ships. We need
You
rocket
said- You
ships.
said profit is profit.
Hey, don't use my own words against me, okay? That's not
I mean,
fair.
we prefer rocket ships, but if you're green, it's a scene.
If
know
you're
what I
green, it's a scene.
I was building a bull flag right on my thing on the 1 minute. I did a doodle.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie.
And of course, I would get in on the downward part of that bull flag.
Oh man, that's the worst, right?
Don't worry, the next candles could be all green, baby.
From your lips to God's ears.
Let's hope.
We do have that wick on that 2 minute showing that the bulls were trying to step in. But I want the bulls to like push this hard right here. Come on, little bulls, push it real good for us.
The little bull, that's like somebody who like thought they had a career until like their first song dropped. Yo, I'm little bull, and I'm so horny.
Come on, give me the rocket ship. I need a rocket ship here. But this is literally, I could have already been out of this trade in the green a while ago. But I was being greedy. I didn't want 120. I wanted more. There we go.
Wow, that's good.
300.
Come on,
There you
Betsy.
go.
300 on that.
There you go.
1858. Let's go.
Let's tap that pivot.
That's a 15 EMA.
All right, close out of that one. We're going to go up and touch, but I'm like, let me not be greedy. Let me just lock in the profit right there.
Next stop, the VWAP.
Let's go. I think we're going to call it a day, though, guys.
If you're green, you're green. We got that VWAP sitting up there at 494. We got that pivot right above us as well at 466. So let's just see what we get.
Yeah, 1858. So I think I'm not gonna reach for the $140.
Yeah. Don't risk it. Don't risk it. No need to. Let's rotate to the next one. All right, so we're above that pivot. Next stop will be the VWAP. Retesting that pivot point. Slightly consolidating right on it.
Well, it's getting the power it needs.
Straight consolidating right on that pivot point. I want the VWAP touch. Are we going to get the VWAP touch? That's what I'm waiting for here. I want the VWAP touch.
It's a VWAP touch, and then we're going to orbit to the upside. Nobody said amen.
My bad. I'm looking at my screen. I'm focused.
We're
I'm trying to see if I need to close out this trade or not. If I don't get the movement I want. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl.
That's the VWAP.
Touching the VWAP.
Thank you for that call out. Quick 680 right there. As soon as you said VWAP touch, I closed. Don't want to touch it and getting rejected.
270. 21, 27 so far. I gotta go.
Get out of here, man. You're making too much money. Go. Don't give it back. Like trading's like robbing the bank. You don't sit around when you get a lick for the cops to show up. You got to get out the market.
Yeah, get a new eval. Get a new eval and rob another bank.
Dip and rip.
Yo. Dip and rip, right? Dip and
Yeah,
rip.
yeah. And this is why I'm thankful I closed out right there. We went up, we pushed up to that VWAP, we tapped it, and we got rejected.
Yep, definitely. Right in front of our eyes.
That's why you don't hold through some of those levels, I would say. Looking at the 2 minute, looks like it may be trying to build a bull flag here below this pivot. But with how we just rejected off of that VWAP, I would honestly wait till we get above the VWAP for another long. Because right now we may end up chopping between the pivot and that VWAP. So I'm not looking at the market. I don't want to stay. We made money today, so I'm not trying to get overly aggressive with the trades today.
Yeah, for a minute, you can't even speak in sentences. That's pretty
good.
Like,
yeah.
He's like, rub the freaking time.
Where you at?
Trying to push it up. Oh, I was on mute.
Oh, so that means G's been screaming by himself this whole time.
Look how much of a rejection that was off that VWAP. That's crazy.
All right, let me I'm gonna stop trading this. Now I need to open up I want to open up what is that? Ninja trade? No. Trader rate, right?
Yeah.
Let me open it up.
So we rejected off of that VWAP. Thankfully, I closed out. Was able to snag that 680 on that trade. Let's see. We got the 21 EMA below us. That 21 EMA is currently sitting at 414.50. 414.50. So right now, I'm in a no trade zone because we rejected off the VWAP. We got this 21 below us and this pivot point right above us. So until we either get above the VWAP or below the 21 EMA, I'm hands off. No reason to risk it for the biscuit today. Because I'm trying to go to Mexico green this weekend. And no one wants to be in Mexico knowing they had a red day. You know what I'm saying? Or a red, like, no one wants that. Refresh. Look at, ooh-wee, that rejection, gentlemen. That rejection, serious. It's like when your ex rejects you, you know what I'm saying? You're just sitting there like, man.
No, that's worse than like you meet somebody on one of the dating apps and you take them out to dinner and they say you don't have any connection or chemistry.
I shouldn't laugh at that.
No, you should, because it's just like, stop the extortion, man. You know what I mean?
Stop the extortion.
I don't have to worry about that anymore, man. That's some psycho shit.
How's everyone feeling?
Are
you guys up? Are you down? We're at this 21 EMA.
No 15-year-old pictures, sucker.
All right, so we're pushing below this 21 EMA. We got the middle of that 15-minute range. Middle of that 15-minute range, 391, 391. Whole number, 400 right there as well. So we got a lot going on right now.
And all of it's in your head.
Something like that, something like that. Let's get below this middle of this 15-minute range. Oh, that was aggressive. Alrighty.
What the hell?
Let's see what we get here. Tapping that middle of the 15-minute range. If we lose that middle, I can see us going down and test the lows of this 15-minute range here. Just waiting for the setup. Let me get my line ready. Let me get my line ready. All right, coming back down to this middle. Market, what are you going to do? I feel like the market this week, just on certain days for me, I feel like it was kind of bipolar. Or no, I felt like it was like when you ask your girl, hey, what do you want for dinner? And they never have an answer. That's how I felt some of the days this week. The market just didn't really know what it wanted to do, so it chopped a little bit. All right. Push it up slightly. Let's see if we build out a bear flag here, which I'm all for. Let's see if it pays. Let's see if it pays. I'm so mad. I have not been able to get to the gym this week because I haven't been 100%. And I didn't want to push myself too hard and then not be feeling well for Mexico. So everything I'm doing is for Mexico right now. Come on, market. Well, it's just chopping. Trying to keep my eyes anywhere but the market right now, just so that way I don't FOMO into a trade.
Oh, I think I know what I gotta do here.
Still chopping, looking like a bear flag right there. Is the bear flag going to have the momentum to take us lower? Let's see what we get. Just add a little bit more right there.
What are you up right now?
On this one, 820.
Shit. What time is it? 10:27.
Time for you to get watch. Time for you to get watch. I said that with the utmost. Oh, can't speak today. Jesus. With the utmost respect, you know. All right, so Bulls push it back up. We want some more follow through. We're sitting right at the middle of this 15-minute range here.
Look at that 1 hour a wick.
Yeah, no diddling in the middling.
Yep, that 1 hour is looking kind of crazy.
Yeah, that 1 hour, it might push down because they rejected the VWAP already.
Hey, if it wants to push down, I'm all for it.
Yeah, for sure.
I just want to get away from the middle of this 15-minute range. That's my whole thing right now, just to get away from this middle of the 15-minute range. I need a waterfall. A waterfall would be nice right now. But still right here at this middle. I ain't going to diddle. Not today.
No diddling in the middle.
Come on, market. Sitting right here at the... I either want to build another flag right here or just waterfall. Preferably a waterfall makes it easier to jump in, but we need something. We're too close to the middle of this 15-minute range for my liking.
We're too close for comfort.
That we are. That we are.
I think I discovered how I'm gonna do this wrinkle
Okay.
thing. I think I got it. And then where's my thing? What happened?
All right. It's starting to get tight right here. Are we getting ready to drop here?
Oh
Let's-
man.
It's getting
Sorry.
real tight right here. But we need the follow through with this momentum to give us this flag. Put it right there so that way. Fingers on the trigger, waiting. Waiting to see if we get the momentum. Don't like that little. It wants to, but it's not giving us the clean. It's not clean yet. It's not clean. We need clean momentum.
The clean, let's cause a scene.
Still right below the middle is 15-minute range. There we go. Starting to get some. Yep. It's not clean. I don't like it.
No, it's too buoyant.
It's bouncing too much. We are trending down, but I want a waterfall. Let's see if we clear that previous wick on the 2-minute. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. You can give it to us. It's okay.
You could do it.
Up, right? Look at the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-minute candles. They consolidated.
All right. Gotta love paint drying. Starting to
I
get
love
some
it.
momentum right there. We just cleared the previous candle wick. I'm just not liking the movement.
Yeah,
I may have to
previous-
take my finger off the trigger because not a fan of the movement right now.
Well, it's too buoyant right now. It's like I got a line and it's riding it.
Let's see.
All right.
All right, there we go. Starting to make that move down.
Make that move down.
Tapping the yellow line I put on the chart earlier. Let's see if we get through this yellow line, which has been holding the market up here.
It's not gonna work. I'm trying to split my screens, right? With with the Rincos.
Yeah.
It's two different, and it's not gonna work. I can't see much.
All right. I put this line on that chart earlier during the session. Looking for
We should
a
stop
big
doing
old
that.
flag right there.
We
My
could all
doodle's
go
holding
long.
the market up. I apologize.
The whole market.
Market makers are watching my stream. What can I say? We have not broken out of the 15-minute range this morning.
Nope.
In either direction, we have not broken out. So
I know that's crazy because the wicks have tested on both sides.
I'm expecting, since we're already down here, at least to retest that pivot point. Pivot point is currently at 306.75. We'll probably retest that pivot. Want to see us build a bear flag down here.
Well, the 1 minute's showing one. Not translating to the 2 minute very much yet.
Yeah, looking at it now.
That's kind of why I like to have the one and the two together and the 5, just so I could do a brief scan.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that drop.
Alrighty, 17.10 on this account for the day.
Nice.
No complaints there.
At a full number area.
I think it's gonna come down to 266.
Once we break out, I'm gonna be looking for. Once we break out this 15-minute range, my first target is all the way down there at 169.50.
169.
Let's see what we get. Let's see if we build out another flag. We're finally breaking through the yellow line on the 5 minute. Big old flag on the 15. That's what I just printed. Since 10 o'clock. Let's see if we stay below the previous candle here to build out another flag for us.
The 5 minute tested it, man. It got buoyant.
How you guys feeling on the YouTube? Legacy's killing it today. They're making their money. How are you guys feeling on the YouTube chat? Not gonna lie, since my last trip to Mexico, I've only wanted to drink water out of glass bottles.
Bougie. Very bougie.
It's not bougie. The water quality is so much better. I'm a water
I mean-
guy. I'm a water guy. I gotta admit.
So you do drink.
I drink a lot of water, yes. Like I have Crystal Springs deliver water. Well, it's Primo water now, but they literally deliver water every other week to my house. I get like 5 jugs of water
That's
for my
good.
dispenser in my house.
Your kidneys love you. No, on a serious note, like all the glasses I drink water from are glass. Like I do have like a I gotta take a picture of it. Give me something to think about.
Other than the market, yo.
Yeah.
We'll do anything to keep us out the market.
Yeah, I don't like plastics. I don't like use them for anything.
Looking like a bear flag here. Let's get below this pivot point. We got the bear flag on the 1, the 2 minute. We need more follow through on that 5 minute. Come on, Marky. You can do it. You can do it, Betsy.
I did send you something on your phone.
Okay. Hasn't come through yet, but once it comes through, I'll check it out. $11 I'll be getting out of here. All right, there's that text message you just sent Steve. The photo. Very nice. I like that handle.
Yeah, so what that is, that's like a 1.5 liter mason jar, and you put the handle on it, and then that way it's like you can fill it with the water, and then it just like. So yeah, I mean, I like. Water's solvent, so if if you're drinking out of plastic all the time, that's like the microplastic. So.
Yeah. And I just like water that's bottled in glass because you don't have the microplastic and that weird taste as well. All right, so we're starting to lose this pivot. I want us to stay below it. Want to stay below that pivot point. Yeah, as soon as I said that, of course, we jump right above the pivot. Very nice.
It waited for you to finish your sentence, and then it's like
it literally is like, okay, Dwayne's talking about staying below the pivot. We gotta go above it now. Like how? Like so frustrating sometimes. But luckily, I'm not in a trade, so it is what it is right now. All right, we're back below. Want to see the momentum carry us to the low of that 15-minute range. Remember, when we first pop out of the 15, we got to wait till the second candle below the 15. Because that first one, like Moose likes to say, it's going to retrace. It's going to come back in.
It's the retracement.
The retracement, gentlemen.
the retrace.
Confirmation. Retracement.
Come on. It wants to make a new low. I can feel it. I can feel the market wants to make a new low right now.
What's funny? This is such a silly thing. I drew the bottom of 15-minute range, and I don't have to today because the low marker is the low of the 15-minute range. You know, that's out of habit. We haven't dipped below that. So yes.
We're inching closer and closer to the low of that 15-minute range, which is the low for the day as well.
Yeah, and that's what I was just eloquently stating.
Let's wait for that. All right, there's the break. There we go. Let's wait for that retracement back into the 15 for us to be able to get that short we want. First breakout of the day of the 15-minute range. Trying not to FOMO into a trade here. Here comes the new candle. All right, new candle's printing. This thing's just waterfalling right now. I want us to pop back into that 15. I'm going to check out what you just sent me, Moose.
Yep, that's fine. It's just the setup from the wrinkles and the trading view.
Gotcha.
The wrinkles.
I personally, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if it's enough information, but it's a little cramped.
I'll have to play it after because I can't. If I play it, the audio will be on the stream, and I don't want that.
No,
So
that's fine.
You'll have Moose breathing on the stream.
The heavy breathing.
All right, so we had no retracement. First target, which I called out early. Whoa, why did that happen? All right, so first target 169. 169 is our first target. Come on, Betsy. All right, so we're currently doing the stair step down on the Renko bars. Me personally, I would like a nice little push back up closer to that 15-minute range to really take us low. But we are targeting the 169 level, 169. Here comes the push back up. We'll see if it continues. Or the bear's just going to keep taking it lower without the bull stepping in.
But I'd like to see a flag.
You and me both.
Let's get some A++ setups in here. Let's make all the money.
Yeah, we need all the money a day.
Duane's going to Mexico. He's gonna have to tip his waitress.
Luckily, I can literally tip $2 or $1, and that's good in Mexico. So that's the cool part about Mexico.
I love you.
Oh, listen, when you give like a $5 bill at the resort in Mexico, yo, their eyes light up big. It's crazy.
And as opposed to here, like you go get a burger at a place and you leave a $20 tip, and they're like, "You're not giving me a living wage." It's like all you did is bring 2 burgers and 2 beers. Like,
No, the worst is when you're like doing like a pickup order and they want a tip.
yeah.
When you drive there and pick it up yourself.
No, listen.
Yeah.
I have this thing, right? I hate when you go up to the counter and you order your food. You know, you grab it, you go get it at the counter, everything, right? And then they ask you for a tip. But what did you do though?
Their job.
Exactly.
Yeah. Or what gets me is like you're just like at the grocery store or something. I'm calling you out, Publix, and it's just like you're paying.
Shots fired.
And it's like, would you like to round up?
Yeah.
Would you like to round up your thing and donate? It's like, look, man, I just want to get my food. If I want to donate, because they're doing that so they could claim, you know, that they're doing charitable donation. It's
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It's like if
They
your heart,
on their behalf, not yours.
yeah. if your heart is to donate to those things, that's awesome. I'm not against that, but do it on your own accord.
Yep.
I went to Petco, right? That's where I buy my dog
Oh, yeah.
food. And they asked, you want to donate to like the animals, whatever, right? And I was like, no, they should donate to me. Yo, the girl gave me a dirty ass look. Like, as if I insulted her. Like, damn, girl, you take this serious.
Yeah, Moose, how dare you?
I know. Maybe she had a hamster she needed money for.
Maybe she had a hamster.
Whenever I go into those pet shops, those people drive me crazy because they don't like. I don't have too many traditional pets, but I know about animals, and they're like one cashier there was like, somebody returned these betas because they said one's a male because they're fighting. It's like, you don't put multiple betas in.
Yeah,
the thing.
ever.
I don't care about gender, but they're like, so it's. Don't get me started. Another time I was buying fish for my pond, and she's like, "No, you can't have them because they might, face the cold or whatever." And it's like they're goldfish.
They're goldfish.
And I was literally buying feeder fish, and she was saying that it was like whatever, virtual signaling twonk.
Come on, Betsy, take us lower.
All the way down. With this tightness here, it just needs to bulk.
Yeah, not liking the tightness.
Yeah, it is. This is like too much consolidation. What's your wrinkle bar say? Is there volume?
Yes and no.
Shit.
I'm gonna probably close this one.
It's like when I ask my kid, "Are you hungry?" Yeah, a little bit, but not really.
No, I'm in a trade. That's why.
Sorry.
That's why I'm like so focused right now. Yeah, I just closed that. I don't like that movement. I personally, I don't like that movement right there. I'd rather close it, take a small loss, than potentially get ripped. So, because it's so tight down here. It's so tight. And just the way it was moving, I wasn't feeling that. Let's see if we get another chance to enter back in.
I've been good. I didn't jump back in.
That's good.
I discipline. Discipline is what kills me every single time.
That kills every trader.
I'm trying to work on it. Oh, don't break it. Oh my god. Is it 11 o'clock? No, not yet. 5 more minutes.
That big move down, not even a big move, decent move down right there. Coming up to that 600, that 200 level. I could have stayed in, closed down profit, but I did not like the movement at the time on the Rincos. So I just closed out. I'd rather stay safe than sorry at this point.
Absolutely.
Because if you look at it, once we get through that 200 level, we'll have literally 30 points to the first target. Or 30 ticks. So. Come on. Here comes that 200 level.
200. Full number, ladies and gentlemen.
All right. The low is at that exactly at that 200 level. So we already know how the market moves at those whole numbers like that. So let's get down to like maybe like 190 before taking the short here.
Let's go right back up a little bit.
It touched that whole number.
Yep.
That 200 level.
It's 250. It's 4 minutes to 11 for a new hour candle.
Consolidating right here on the Renko bars.
Consolidation is not my favorite sensation. Is it going to give you one good move before you leave at 11?
I'm not sure if it's going to give it to us. We're waiting. If it does, hey, we're not complaining. But the closer and closer we get to 11 o'clock, the more and more you need to be more cautious. Just saying. Just saying.
Just saying. Just saying.
He's very wise, this Duane Broom.
You know,
I'm glad you feel like I'm wise. Like, that makes my day that you think I'm wise, sir.
I just remember the first time I met Duane, right? I'm like, oh, you know, we got a conversation. And I said, what's your last name? He was like, Broom. Like, you know, I sweep you off your feet.
Oh, my goodness.
Not sweep him off his feet. But, you know, like, oh, what's your last name? I'm like, Broom. You know what I'm saying? I'll sweep them off their feet. You know what I'm saying? Like,
you remember that, Duane?
That's something I do say, so I know you ain't lying, you know.
This is funny. I'm like, oh, like, you know, like the bro is like, yeah. Can't say that no more though. Can't say that no more.
No more. I swept her off her feet. She's good.
That's it. She knocked you on your head. Just kidding.
Don't get me beat up, Moose. Like, that's crazy.
Hey, it's not gonna hurt me.
Oh.
Now I know, sir. Now I know. Well, I thought you were like a friend. Like, now I know you're not. You know, crazy.
We are, because if you get knocked out, I'm gonna be the one calling the paramedic. Can't be two of
Calling
them.
the paramedic. All right, so market pushed up off that 200 level. Doesn't want to give it up yet. Market does not want to give it up yet. That's crazy. Come up on 11 o'clock. Less than 40 seconds now for 11 o'clock time. So be careful in the markets.
I was catching up with my wife, so like after we get off this stream, we're gonna go on a hike, and then we're gonna come home and cook over the fire. So
Nice.
just chill on some project.
Right now, the low of that 15-minute range is calling.
I'm gonna use your line. I'm gonna tell her I'm gonna sweep her off her feet.
Go ahead. With that push up, we may build out a bull flag right here. Take us back to that low of the 15-minute.
No, but that'd be the clean way we do it. We're just kind of doing
That
our
will
own
be the
thing.
clean way. 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock.
EMA even on the 1 minute.
I did not get filled. Let me close that. Well, gentlemen, it is officially 11 o'clock. This thing's moving, but I'm not going to sit around for it.
Yeah,
I
gotta
got
get out. Steve, you good?
Oh,
keep
I'm
it
good.
moving. So,
All right, where's G?
Good day, gentlemen.
All right.
David Tone.
Baton, Moose,
All right, y'all
G,
boys.
All right.
All right.
Steve,
Later
it's
on.
been a
Later.
pleasure. I'll
All
see
right.
you guys tomorrow.
All right.
Let's do
Later.
it to it.
All right, guys, have a good one.
Yep.
All right.
For everyone still on the YouTube stream, appreciate you guys tuning in. Before I get off, do you guys have any questions? Because I want to make sure you guys are getting all the information you need to be successful. So any questions, throw them in the chat real quick. I'll wait an extra minute here for you. If you have questions, if not, I'm going to be getting off to continue my day. And literally, what else can you do where you can make a couple $1,000 a day from the comforts of anywhere, your house, like traveling? It does not matter where you're at as long as you got Wi-Fi, without having to deal with other people, like bosses, employees, clients. Trading's literally the best thing anyone could ever do. All right, well, I don't see any questions popping up in the chat, so guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe in the markets, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Doing something special on the stream tomorrow, so make sure you're here. Going to be doing a little giveaway tomorrow. So with that being said, see you guys tomorrow. Like, subscribe, and like always, stay safe in the markets.